capital city of Pop beckons you to reside in one of its finest student housing destinations, the Electra, a stay par excellence in the heart of Liverpool. Nestled in Caledonia Street, the premium accommodation boasts a selection of luxury studios. In addition to having the entire place to yourself, each unit offers a snug bed, study desk and chair, and a large TV. Plus, a private bathroom featuring an ensuite shower room adds a touch of luxury with a private kitchen letting you channelize that inner Michelin-star chef. That's not all. A vibrant lounge and a fun games area let you unwind after a tiring day at the uni. Plus, a dedicated study zone and ultra-fast Wi-Fi help you unleash your academic side. What's more, an on-site laundry, cycle storage, and CCTV security help keep the hassles of student life at bay. What steals the show, however, is the inclusion of utility bills, making the stay super easy on your pocket. And when it's time to hit the books, Liverpool Institute for Performing Arts and Liverpool International College are hop, skip, and jump away. Plus, a delectable dining scene awaits you right in the neighborhood with a quarter-serving delicious Mediterranean cuisine and the Flores Bar and Restaurant Liverpool coupling mouth-watering food with soothing aesthetics for Instagram-worthy pictures. And with various bus stops, cabs, and taxi services all nearby at your disposal, commuting is going to be the least of your hassles. Ticks all your boxes. So head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at the Electra, your future home away from home.